Hi, in this video, we will learn how to move a funnel step or funnel uh, page to another funnel. Like you see, there are different steps. So, first we can go to this funnel step and click edit page. And there are no option to directly move this page to a different funnel. So we can use a easy tricks. Like first we can save as it is a template. So let's give a name, new sales page, save. So this page already saved, and we can go back and go to the funnels, and we can go the second funnel. Now we can add a new step, and you see your save templates equal to. So I have saved it as a new sales page. So I can select it and continue. It will be a landing page. So I can update the URL and name and create a step. So this steps is comes here. It's loading now. If I can click here, you see this step fully move here. You see very nicely move here. There are no issue, all are perfect. And if I can go to the first funnel step, this is the main page and this is the new funnel step and this is the previous one. So you see the same style. So you can easily duplicate any page to another funnel or move any page to another funnel in Funnelish.